we will look at the pinboard here, which is the equivalent of pinned messages about events and services. As you can see, the pinboard shows multiple different messages at one time. You can filter these messages though in order to narrow down either on a geographic location or on a category type. Now, choosing one of the pins will allow you to see the details of that particular pin, including a link out to the website if there is one entered on the pin itself. And you can use the filters either singularly or in a combination based on a keyword, a postcode, a radius from that postcode, and then the category as well, in order to focus the search on the pins that are of interest to you at any particular time. So, for each of the pins that are on the system, you, the users, can actually add these pins into the system. And that is done by using the Add New Pin button. Choosing the Add New Pin button, you get the Add a New Pin screen. On the left are the guidelines for the type of descriptions and services and events that are applicable to pins. And you will start by adding a title for the pinned message, and follow that by adding a description for the message. The next thing you will do is you will add an image file if you have one for the event or service. That image will show up at the top of the pinned message, and there's a guideline on the page which tells you what the optimum size for a message is that will display best. Okay? Having done that, you can then add the URL for the website that is relevant for the event or service that you are describing with the pin. And having then put that in, the next thing to do is to enter a postcode. Once you've done that, use the lookup button to the right of the postcode field. This will partially enter the address, and it's up to you to complete the address. Finally, moving down to the bottom, you're able to put in a date to and a date from that are relevant to the event or service being described on the pin. You can also enter a category for the resource that is being described on the pin as well. Entry of the dates is done via a calendar picker, which makes it really easy to do. And once you've completed this task, all that's left to do is to press the submit button, and doing this will present your application for the pin to the MAAPP administrator for approval and addition to the MAAPP application.